highlighters. Isn't it a perfect combination? Yung nagkakape ka na ng paborito mong kape sa Zeus. Tapos may pa free stickers na. May pa free Zeus body pa. Another budol finds at for sure matutuwa kayo dito highlighters. Since Zeus Coffee do have a blind box. O diba, another anik-anik na naman. Every purchase of a drink, you can avail this free sticker. And worth 350 pesos na drinks to avail this cutie Zeus body. And here's the first one. I've got Frappe, friend. By the way, Frappe daw talaga yung tamang basa doon. O diba ang nice? And may kasama pang collectible card. And reiterate ko lang highlighters ha, na dapat sa Zeus app kayo mag-order para makakakuha kayo nito. So 1 down and 5 more to go. This is another word collecting anik-anik highlighters. At syempre, since gusto na natin makompleto yan, nagpabudol na naman kinabukasan. So tara, let's unbox the second one. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga ganitong collectibles, better buy it now. Since for sure magkakaroon ng series 2 ito. And speaking of 2, I got a duplicate. So meaning more kape to go. Buti na lang masarap coffee sa Zeus.